Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add an image banner on Behance. First, log into your account. Once in, on the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Now in here, you will have the option to add a banner image if you want to. So just go and click on it. Now, select the image that you want to add and click on Open. After that, you'll have the option to drag the image to reposition it. Then, you can also go and zoom it in or out if you want to. Once done on resizing the image, just click on the Done button. Now, you will have your banner image on Behance. Now, if you want to replace your banner, you can simply hover your cursor and then select Replace Image. If you want to remove it, just simply click on the Remove button. By doing so, you will be able to change your image banner on Behance. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.